Adding a property is one of the first steps you can take to get started in TenantCloud. You can list new properties, syndicate to numerous partner sites, showcase your property features, and quickly find new tenants all in TenantCloud. To add a property, click the Create New button on the left side menu and select Add Property. Or you can navigate to Portfolio, then Properties, then Add Property. From here, you can begin filling in all the property details. Name the property as you want it to appear in your TenantCloud profile. Enter the year it was built and its precise address. Upload high-quality photos of your property, ideally taken from each room. Next, choose a property type. Single unit, best for single-family homes, single mobile homes, or any property type that does not have multiple units or rooms. Multi-unit, used for apartments, office buildings, or any property where you'll later add multiple units in the system. Provide the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, property size, market rent, and requested deposit. Next, select basic amenities like parking and laundry, along with property features and amenities. Add your custom ones if they're not mentioned here. If you'd like to attach any documents, you can do so in this field. Now you're ready for the next steps.